this latest update, we've enhanced the product group feature by adding a bulk action that allows you to quickly assign multiple products to a specific product group. As a quick overview, product groups allow you to set configuration for things like decoration processes, which ones should be allowed, and what the price should be set to, your blank product markups, minimum quantities, production statuses, and product availability. Jumping back onto our product screen, with the new feature, you can now, for example, select an entire category of blank products. Select all the items on the first page by clicking the checkbox at the top of the list, then choose the Select All Products link at the top of the page. Lastly, click into the Bulk Action dropdown and select the new Assign Product Group action. Once you hit Apply Action, you'll see the dropdown to select and assign a new product group to the selected products. These enhancements should make it easier for you to manage your blank products and allow you to more quickly make adjustments to their configuration.